Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the second video of my spring cleaning series. Today I'm going to be tackling my pantry. So I recently moved into this house, like I've said in the past previous videos, but this pantry is bigger than what we had. So I had a little bit of organization because of my old pantry, but this one is a lot bigger. So I needed to do a little bit more to make it organized. So follow along with me. I'm going to take everything completely out and organize everything in all of these bins that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I hope that you enjoy this, and if you need motivation to organize your own pantry, then please follow along. Thanks. here's the completed organized pantry. So up here we have the bigger baking containers like sugar, flour, brown sugar, cereals, my oil, and pretzel. I have a gigantic thing of pretzels back there, so it stayed up there. Then when you go down here, we have our dog treats. So this is all stuff that I use to make my dog treats. Pastas and sauces. So I have a couple different kinds of pastas, some spaghetti sauce, and other items in there. And then we have cans. So this is soups, chilies, vegetables, anything like that. And then we have down here, which is Jack Snacks. So he really enjoys his fruit pouches, his veggie chips, his crackers. And then we have more snacks. So this is kind of for anybody. So we have animal crackers, raisins, some rice cakes, popcorn, more crackers, granola bars, all of that in here. And then we have here's rice. Our family loves rice. So rice is designated to one basket by itself. I threw in the Crystal Light right there because it's just right in the open. And then we have condiments here. So we have, I threw the pancake mix in. I know it's not a condiment, but we don't use it very often. I only use it for one recipe, so I kind of threw it in there. But you have your vinegar, your syrup, your ketchup, the peanut butter, our garlic spread. We love to make garlic bread with. And then we have just the basket of bread. And then we have our container of soups. So for when we're super, super lazy for chop ramen or whatnot. Now the other colors, like those ones, are from my old pantry. I did not get enough when I went back to Dollar Tree. So I will have to replace those two with the same color because I think that's gonna bother me. But that'll do for now. And then we have my baking items, like my smaller ones, baking soda, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, the whole wheat flour that I use for dog treats, and then rice. And then down here is just extra stuff. So extra paper towels, napkins, tea, baggies, and all kinds of other stuff in there. So, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching my clean with me and organize my pantry. I hope you enjoyed it and continue to check on my channel for more spring cleaning videos. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.